Namaste. This is Honey with Chani, your Love Yourself Life Coach, and you're watching channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. So thank you everybody who attended the session yesterday. It was a great evening and I loved your responses for sure. And I'm hoping to see a big shift in your lives right away. Thank you once again. So we are on day 27 from the book called Trust Life by Louise Hay. And let's see what's in today. I appreciate the beautiful world I live in. If we come from the space of appreciation, the world will be more beautiful. Our life will be more beautiful. So this affirmation will bring up the joy of appreciating yourself, your world, and people around you. I repeat again. I appreciate the beautiful world I live in. The earth is a wise and loving mother. She provides everything we could ever want. All our needs are taken care of. There is water, food, air, and companionship. We have an infinite variety of animals, vegetation, birds, fish, and incredible beauty. We have treated this planet very badly in the last few years. We have been using up our valuable resources. If we continue to wastefully trash the planet, we will have no place to live. I don't know what to say about it. We know it all. And the book was written, of course, quite some years before pandemic. And this earth is giving us back. So it's high time that we appreciate the beauty and preserve it. And make our little bit of using our natural resources wisely and not abusing it or overusing it. I know we have heard it all everywhere else, but let us be very, very sensitive to Mother Earth. It's not only a soil or something, it has life. That's why we Indians especially call as Mother Earth or Dharti Ma. And we can't be so cruel to our mother. We need to protect all her species, whether they are plant living animals or fishes or whatever. We need to protect the environment and everything because we are the sensible beings on the planet who can do this. So let us do our bit, and I would love to hear what are you doing for Mother Earth in the comment box so that we can learn from each other. So if you're doing something which I'm not doing, it will be great input for us to change. And of course what we want is a doable things which are very, very practical. I'm not saying go out of the way, plant organic things and all and leave all your work and just do it about it. It's like in a daily life, what can be done? How can we be discreet in using the products we are using? Less of chemicals, more of organic, and disposing of easily without harming the earth, right? Okay. So this is about Louise Hay. She's saying, I have committed to lovingly take care of and improve the quality of life in this world. My thoughts are clear and loving and concerned. So even though we cannot do practically anything, action-wise, okay, our thoughts make a very big difference. The thoughts we put up in the thought sphere, I'm not sure whether you're aware or no, like we have atmosphere, the sphere of air above the earth's surface some kilometers ahead. We have thought sphere where everybody's thoughts are collected and those thoughts are again given back. Oh God, I need to tell you about this. So we sometimes feel we do our affirmation, we do all the good things, and suddenly we feel low, suddenly we think negative thought about somebody or ourselves, and then we wonder like why. So it's because in the thought sphere there are many, many negative thoughts collected over the period of time by so many people across. So luckily we people are working on our thoughts, we are working on our quality of the thoughts and thinking wisely, thinking consciously about the positive thoughts. We're doing an affirmation, we're getting aware of negative thoughts, turning them into positive. But we know there are quite a few people who are still going to be learning this path, who are still need to learn about this. They are not even aware that their thoughts are making such difference in the thought sphere. So when we are contributing by thinking positive thoughts or good thoughts or loving thoughts, we are actually contributing to our Mother Earth by giving her the atmosphere or the thought sphere of good thoughts. Yeah. So thinking positive or happy or loving thoughts is not only for us alone, it's for everybody. It's about the whole world. Each thought is contributing to your life and to the life of people around. So it's like I see it's our dharma, it's a duty, it's a religion, it's really our big thing to think positive thought, think good thoughts, so that we are contributing just by thinking good thoughts. Imagine. So some people say, I don't have enough money, what do I contribute? I am bound by the in-laws and all, I can't do it. I want to segregate wet waste or dry waste, but it doesn't work that way. I don't want to use plastic. There are so many reasons not to do it, but thinking, nobody can stop you thinking from positive thoughts, right? So you're thinking in your mind, nobody will come and tell you in your mind, oh, don't think positive, think negative. It's like your choice, right? Our thoughts are our choice. So at least we can think positive thoughts or think loving thoughts about everybody, appreciating everybody, yeah? So it's a big thing, yeah. So, I read again, okay? I have committed to lovingly take care of and improve the quality of life in this world. My thoughts are clear and loving and concerned. I express random acts of kindness wherever I can. I recycle and compost and organically garden and improve the quality of the soil. It is my planet and I help to make it a better place to live. I spend quiet time every day actively imagining a peaceful planet. I imagine the possibilities of a clean, healthy environment. I envision the governments of the world working together to balance their budgets and handle money fairly. I see all the people on the planet opening their hearts and their minds and working together to create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. It is possible and it starts from me. So beautiful. So, thinking is in our hands, visualizing a beautiful world which is peaceful and loving and taking care. So remember some days ago we had taken a place where we are putting our vibration that it prospers and it is healthy and all those things. So we can imagine a whole world being that way. Like politician and all, we know there is corruption and all those things, but why we focus over there? Why not we focus on something that we want? Because now we know the power of thoughts, the power of our visualization is so much strong. So why not do it for entire planet? Then the beautiful planet will be lovely for every one of us to live in. So keep creating a beautiful world in our minds, and tell me what are you going to visualize your world as in your comment box, which is really important. So the moment you write it down and you declare to the world, it becomes like, oh, I've written in the comment like this and everybody's reading it, I have to do it. So whether you do it or not till now, but commit to something which you're willing to do it, and I commit for this and this and this work. Okay, so see you tomorrow, same place, same time. And this is Honey Machani. You're watching channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. So if you haven't subscribed so far, do it right away. Share with your friends. It might add value and difference to their lives as well. I love you. Namaste.